Hello everyone! So here's a quick update on my 58 Edsel build for the under 1000 group build. So yeah, it's really come along good. I'm really liking this model. Everything fits really well. It's nice and tight. I've got some cleanup still to do along here where I kind of got outside the lines on the chrome there. So boy, you don't want to try to do chrome trim when you're tired. Big mistake. So anyway, excuse me. This is kind of what it's looking like, and I screwed up again here. I knew I shouldn't have even worked on it because it was I hadn't worked on any models in like 10 days, so I was super excited to work on something, and I was just too tired. So anyway, so I'll have to fix that. It is ready to be primered. Here's a little shot of the motor, which is really turning out good. Added these kind of fake velocity stacks I really wanted this to sit up a little higher. There's the chassis coming together nicely. And get out of there. Okay. And there is a shot of the interior. Really like this color, how this color turned out. It was actually a more of a flat color. It was the body color. And then what I did is just went over it with a gloss coat from I think it was Tamiya, and it just kind of gave it that vinyl look that I was shooting for. And so this was actually a flat gray also. So I went over it with that gloss. It really brought it out and just really gave it that kind of vinyl look. So a little bit of the dash. So yeah, so that is my update. The next one, I think I'll be done. I'm just, like I said, I'm just getting it ready for clear coat, but I got to fix these little minor issues first, and then she should be ready to go. So stay tuned. I'll have an update soon on this one. Won't be too long before I get it done, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks. This is Jerry, and I'm signing off.